Thanks to the tripped packing system, your boy is not gonna have to check a bag. Oh boy, look at this. Hey, my name is Steve, and I have a problem. I've been traveling consistently since 2017, and I still get stressed about packing. I have to pack my stuff so often, and every time I tell myself, this time I'm gonna do it early and I'm not gonna overpack. But guess what ends up happening? Almost every time I wait until the last minute, and I always overpack. It's a bit of a problem, but I may have found a solution. My friends Tim and Finn have developed this guide called the Tripped Packing System, and today I'm going to put it to the test to see if it actually helps. Welcome to Pack. Okay, so before we begin with this packing process, let me just quickly introduce myself and share some context as to what the heck I'm doing here, where I'm going, what I'm packing for. So to start, hi, my name is Steve Yalo, and I'm a traveler. My style of travel has changed over the years, but in 2017, I made a big decision that changed my life in the best way possible, and that decision was to travel. I left my job, I sold or donated almost all of my material possessions, and I got a one-way ticket to Thailand. Yeah, I'm going to Thailand! I still remember packing my bag for that trip, and looking back on it, I made a video about it. I just brought way too much stuff, and I think that's something I still struggle with. I've definitely gotten better at it, but hopefully with this trip packing system, this can help me improve my packing process. So recently, instead of backpacking, I've been suitcasing. And typically I check a bag because I always bring too much stuff. This trip I am going to Costa Rica for about 1 month, and I'm working remotely, so I'm living that digital nomad life. But I will be relocating about 4 or 5 times throughout this trip. So it would be ideal to ditch the suitcases and embrace more of that backpacking style. So I want to see if I can fit everything in my 40-liter travel backpack, which is small enough to be considered a carry-on. So that's the challenge today. Let's see if we can do it. So right off the bat, before we begin, we have 4 rules. I almost did 3. Rule number 1, remove habits and start fresh. Everything I know, gone. Let's go. Rule 2, keep an abundance mindset. You will be able to take everything you want on this trip. 3, suitcase comes last. Stop choosing a bag and filling it up. Choose items first, decide on luggage later. And rule number 4, and most importantly, have fun. You're going on a trip. This is exciting. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're in the same boat together here because I've also never done this trip packing system, so let's get started. We have 3 steps. The first step is to pull. So now I'm ready to decide what I'm bringing with me. So I have to pull everything I need for 3 different days. The first is to pull the why, or what I want for my dream day. The second is to pull for my most important day. And the third is to pull all of my travel day essentials. So let's go. Boom! Thanks to the magic of YouTube editing, I already pulled everything I need for my dream day. So let's review this. Starting with the morning. My dream day in Costa Rica would be waking up early morning and getting out on a board and surfing some waves. So everything I need here. I got board shorts, I got a rash guard to make sure my ninnies don't get chafed. I also got a towel in case I want to dry off when I get out. And I got this bucket hat that is designed for surfing. You can wear it in the water and it won't fall off because it has this buckle. And moving on to an afternoon, I would love some type of adventure activity, whether that be hiking or just something in nature. So here I have shorts, t-shirt, simple. Another adventure hat, this one without a buckle. Also bringing some shades. And by the way, this trip packing system doesn't make you just consider what you're wearing. It's everything you're bringing. So when thinking about my dream day, I also have to consider everything I would need for that day. Starting in the morning, I would probably want to brush my teeth, so I start with my toothbrush, toothpaste. Maybe if I'm feeling nice toward others, I would wear some deodorant. And then for the afternoon, if I'm going on some type of nature adventure, I would love to document this. So I'll bring a GoPro. I need all the accessories for a GoPro. I got a case, got an extra battery. I have a pole so I can carry around and attach my GoPro to this mount. Also, love music. Bring a little speaker with me. This one's currently falling apart, so it's being held together by tape. Just thinking of everything here. Usually I bring a battery pack and a phone charger in case my phone runs out of battery during the day. And all of this stuff has to go in a bag or something, so that's why this thing is freaking awesome. If you haven't seen this yet, this is the Daypack by Tripped. Look at this, super small, tiny. I could put this in my sweatshirt pouch like a little kangaroo baby. This is a backpack. Look at this. Designed geniusly. Tim and Finn, I love you guys. Look how this all unfolds. This actually folds into itself, and what it just went in was the front pouch. Are you kidding me? Now I got a whole backpack right here. This is amazing. I love this. And concluding my dream day, it'd be really nice to go out to dinner, get a few drinks, a nice bite to eat. So clothing for that, just got some shorts and a shirt and some underwear. And one more thing I forgot, footwear. For a nature adventure, I would wear these sandals. And for the morning, if I'm close enough to the beach, I'll just go barefoot. If not, I'll wear these flip-flops, and this is what I would also wear for nighttime activities as well. So this is my dream day right here. And here's everything I would need for my most important day, which will consist of work-related activities. For me, I'm planning on working with a tour company and making a video about a pretty exciting travel experience. So there's some camera equipment involved here. And also a lot of days I'll be spending working remotely. So with that being said, just a basic outfit here, another pair of shorts. I have a t-shirt, very light. I'm gonna need a camera. I'll actually use the camera I'm using right now. And also another lens in case I want to change my lens. I need some batteries for that camera. I need to charge these batteries. And I might also use, I have a microphone I'm using on that camera right now, but I also have wireless Joby microphones that I could use. Those are gonna need some cables, which are all in here. And I need to charge those, which I have right here. Also want to take a Joby Gorilla Pod so I can have a mini tripod with me. And I have a 360 camera. Also my drone. In here is a DJI drone with 3 batteries and the charger. It's all pretty packed tightly in here. And when I get back, I need to get on my laptop. I need to charge my laptop. The laptop is right here, so I'll be taking that with me. And some AirPods and a phone charger, as well as some sunnies. And I'll also just wear a pair of the sandals that I already packed for my favorite day. And a really cool thing that they include with this packing system is a checklist. So as I'm going through this, I'm looking through all of the instructions because they have detailed instructions for how to get prepared for all of this and how to hold yourself accountable to make sure you got everything. So going through this checklist and little reminders, so specific. I love it. It's definitely helpful so far. And by the way, this entire Tripped packing system is available for download. Find the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And the final part of the first step is travel day. I got a t-shirt, underwear, a sweatpants, a sweatshirt. Also, travel day essential, noise canceling headphones. If you don't have these, I highly recommend. Makes the plane ride much smoother. Oh, I forgot a very important thing. This is why having a checklist and suggestions is really important. I forgot my passport, so definitely gonna need that for travel day. And I'm not going barefoot or wearing sandals to the airport, so bring in sneakers, just not putting those on the bed. All right, what's next? Ready for a hair transition? Okay, so step 1 was to pull everything we need. Now step 2 is to push past panic and just trust the process. So now it's time to pull the what ifs. Starting with one of the most obvious ones, what if it rains? I have a packable jacket right here. I love these types of things, like the Daypack, the Trip Daypack. And this jacket, it just packs into a little ball of nothing. Another common what if I get sick? One being the common Imodium. These are pills to help your stomach if you're having ooey gooey ouchie wouchies. And also activated charcoal pills. What if I get a little boo-boo? I want to fix it with my first aid kit. And another what if, which is a good travel tip. I'm not even going to show this one because that is a debit card. It's a backup debit card. It's not my main debit card. I will keep this hidden away in my luggage the whole time, somewhere safe and private, just in case something happens to my credit card or my main debit card. That would really suck. And I keep this as a backup just in case anything happens. I can always use that as a backup debit card, go to the ATM and get some cash. The last what ifs are some extra clothes. What if I want a freaking fancy shirt? Fancy, nice pattern. What if I want a tank top? I didn't pack any tankies. What if I want to wear a pair of jeans? I also want to bring these light shorts. I got 2 pairs of these, stretchy, very easy. They're quick dry. I can wash them myself if I need to. And another bathing suit. So those are my what ifs. And that's everything I need. So now it's time to see how we can actually get this packed. So if you're not familiar with compression cubes, these are called compression cubes because they compress. So first, when you're packing it, you can open this up all the way so the sides expand higher, and then you go ahead and pack all your goodies in there like so. Then when you get everything inside, you go ahead and zippity-doo-dah that bad boy right up. And now the compression happens. You can go ahead and zip it up so it takes all of that extra room and compresses it down to be more compact and make it easier to fit in your bag. And these are all of my shorts and pants for the entire month in Costa Rica. This one I think was initially designed for shoes or flip-flops, but I like to use it for socks and underwear. Now I got the rest of this stuff. See, I got all this loose stuff. I got cables, I got more cables, I got batteries, I got stuff. So I'm gonna see how much I could fit in this tripped tech pouch. This is so convenient because all you gotta do is put your stuff in here. It's got a handle here. You can hold it wherever you want. There's so many little pockets. So now, when I need to go to my co-working space, I grab my laptop and I grab my tech pouch, and I can walk right up to my desk and don't have to worry about my hard drive falling. Great stuff, great stuff. Now in here I have all of my toiletries, and this thing is super convenient because when you get to your destination, you can open this up and it has a little hook. You can hang this up and have easy access to your toiletries. Love it, love the design of this. And it also comes with this TSA carry-on approved item for your liquids and stuff like that. Easy to see, so it's TSA friendly. Now this is everything I'm bringing, and I'm just gonna put these hats in that shirt with the shirts because there's room. But look at this, this is everything. It is time to see if we can fit everything in here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack my clothes like so. One, and then the other got, boom, all my clothes. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to the tripped packing system, your boy is not gonna have to check a bag. Oh boy, look at this. I just checked, I'm flying JetBlue, and this is actually within the size restrictions to be considered a carry-on, and this can be considered a personal item. So right here, I'm good. This is crazy. For some size comparison here, this is my carry-on bag. This is the bag I just got everything into. It's the same. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. In my 6 years of travel, I have never gone on a trip like this without a checked bag. So thank you to the tripped packing system. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. No, but in all seriousness, this definitely helped. So for your next trip, I would highly recommend trying this. The tripped packing system is available as a PDF download. You can find the link in the description of this video. Oh, for now, I'm getting ready to go. If you want to join me and see any of my adventures, my name again is Steve Yalo. You can find me on your social media platform of choice, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. I'm going to Costa Rica, so I'll see you there. I'm still in shock. I'm stoked. Oh man. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.